Whatever your doubt, you can ask me, okay?
So recording is started.
Yes, it's very easy topic, so be attentive. It is there in the first test.
Yes.
Should I
Okay,
start?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello friends, welcome to
Sir,
Free
voice
Grammar
has gone.
Lessons.
Voice
In this
gone.
video, we will learn how to convert an
Yes, now it will come in parallel.
Okay.
assertive or declarative sentence to interrogative sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. We will first understand what is an assertive and interrogative sentence. Then, I will let you know how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence with examples. And I will give you an exercise at the end of the video for practice. So, without a further go, let's get started. What is an assertive sentence? Assertive sentence tells information or states a fact. It ends with a period. It can be both affirmative or positive and negative in meaning. Let me give you an example of affirmative sentence. Dhoni is a great player. Now, let me give you an example of negative sentence. The sandwich was not tasty. Here you can see that the meaning is negative. So it's a negative sentence. Now let's look into interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences ask a question. They end with a question mark. Let me give you an example of an interrogative sentence. Isn't Dhoni a great player? Here you can see the sentence is in question form. Let me give you one more example of interrogative sentence. Was the sandwich tasty? Here also you can see the sentence is in question form. Now let's understand how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence without changing the
Yes, but
meaning
you
of the
understood?
sentence. There are
Yes,
two
sir.
simple steps involved in the conversion. Step number 1. If the sentence is affirmative or positive, then convert it into negative, and if negative, then convert it into positive sentence. Step 2. Move the helping verb to the first position in the sentence. We will look into the examples that we just saw and understand how these steps were used. Example number 1. Dhoni is a great player. As the sentence is in affirmative form, we will convert it into negative form. After applying step 1, the sentence will be Dhoni is not a great player.
Right?
Now, moving the helping verb to the first position in the sentence along with the negation, which is step 2, the sentence
What is the helping verb?
Is.
Okay, उसको आगे लेना है. And we change from affirmative to negative. क्योंकि sentence affirmative था, तो उसमें not डाल दिया. So first step is, if it is affirmative, change it to negative, and then
Positive,
take,
negative, negative to positive.
yes, and take the helping verb in the first place, in
Starting
the
of the
start.
starting.
will be, isn't Dhoni a great player? And this is how we convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Let me give you one more example that we just saw previously. The sandwich was not tasty. As the sentence is in negative form, we will convert it into affirmative form. After applying the step 1, the sentence will be, the sandwich was tasty. Now moving the helping or auxiliary verb to the first position in the sentence, which is step 2, the sentence will be, was the sandwich tasty? So now you got an idea how to convert
Understood?
an assertive sentence to
Yes,
interrogative
understood.
sentence. Now let's look into different cases that needs to be kept in mind while converting an assertive sentence to interrogative. Case number 1. If the helping verb is not provided, we check the tense of the sentence and accordingly add the helping verb. Generally, these helping verbs are do, does, did. Let's look into an example. He plays cricket. Here, as the sentence is in simple present and the pronoun he is used, we use the helping verb does. After applying the step 1, the sentence is, he does not play cricket. After applying step 2, the sentence will be, doesn't he play cricket? Let's look into case 2. Sentences where never is used, it will be converted to ever, and where no is used, it will be converted to any. Let's look into examples of this kind of sentences. Ajay will never forget my kindness. Now converting it to interrogative sentence after applying both the step, it will be, Will Ajay ever forget my kindness? Notice the word never converted into ever. Let's look into next example. No one knows you. Converting it to interrogative sentence, the sentence will become, does anyone know you? Notice no is converted to any. Let's look into one more case. Case 3. Sentences where everybody, everyone, all is used, it will be converted to who plus don't, doesn't, didn't. Let's look into example. Everybody likes to become great. Now converting it to interrogative sentence, it will be who doesn't like to be great. We can also convert it in the way that we just learned. So after applying step 1 and 2, the sentence will be, does everybody not like to be great? Both the forms are correct here. Now we have understood how to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Let me give you an exercise. Here you have to convert assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. The sentences are, first, that was not an example to be followed. Second, there is nothing better than a busy life. Third, no one likes bad order. Please message me.
Anyone? Try the first one. Make it interrogative.
Sir, with the step 1, that was an example to be followed.
Yes. And in step 2, take the helping verb in the start of the sentence.
Was that example to be followed?
Yes. And question mark. That's it.
Yes.
Was that an example to be followed? Question mark. Very good. Others can also try, all the students. This is really easy topic. You know, like 6th and 7th standard students can also do it. You so try it quickly. We are lucky that we have in 9th standard also. In 10th also you have it. There is nothing better than a busy life. So nothing will change to what? There was the word which was given.
Anything.
Yes. So take the helping verb in the first place.
There is anything better than a busy life.
Helping verb in the first place. You forgot.
Anything better than the busy life.
I done first step first.
Yes. So second step, final step.
Is there anything better than a busy life?
Good. Number 3. Odor means smell. Bad odor means bad smell.
Anyone likes bad odor?
Okay, but you are missing that verb. See, here helping verb is not given. So from do, does, did, we
Yeah,
have to add
I am
anyone.
doing step by step.
Sorry. Okay.
Step 1 is correct now.
Step 1 is correct. Now check the tense and add the helping verb from do, does, did. Because it is
It
not
is-
given.
We will use does.
Yes.
Does anyone likes bad odor?
Okay, one mistake. Likes. Because we are writing does, so we don't write as with the verb.
Yes. Does anyone like bad odor?
Correct. Just see what is revision. We understood what is assertive sentence. Assertive sentence gives information, it ends with full stop. Interrogative ends with question mark, it asks a question. Do you want to take the screenshot? Please take it because you have to write this.
In Fairbook.
Yes, of course. See, 1 minute. From here, you take the screenshot.
Okay, sir. One.
And all the students, please take it. As the page will change, please take the screenshot. I will not pause on every page.
Okay, sir. I have one screenshot.
Okay. Should I continue? Change the page?
Yes, sir.
Take it.
Yes, sir. Taken.
Take it.
Taken.
Sir, taken.
Okay. Okay. It will change now. Take it. Sorry, 1 minute. 1 second. Take this case 1 screenshot.
Sir, which sequence we have to write?
As you taking screenshot, same sequence.
Sir, taken.
Okay, sir.
Take this one.
Sir, taken.
Done, sir.
Okay. Case 3.
Sir, taken.
Done.
Be careful with case 3. I'll give you questions also. And this one also. We
Done.
discussed the answers. Okay, so I'll play the second one. We will continue. So first, we will see the recap of the previous video and then we will continue.
Hello friends. Welcome to Free Grammar Lessons. In this video, we will learn how to convert an interrogative sentence
Now,
to assertive
opposite,
or declarative
vice versa.
sentence without
Yes.
changing the meaning of the sentence.
That is
We
also
will
really
first
easy.
understand how to convert an interrogative sentence to assertive with examples. Then we will learn different cases related to the conversion. And at the end, I will give you an exercise for practice. So without a further go, let's get started. Before that, let's quickly revise what we learned in our previous video. We learned a two-step formula to convert an assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. The steps are: step number 1, if the sentence is affirmative or positive, then convert it into negative, and if it is negative, then convert it into positive. And step 2, move the helping verb to the first position in the sentence. Now, for converting an interrogative sentence to assertive sentence, we have to reverse the order of the steps. So, the steps will be: step number 1, move the helping verb to the second position in the sentence. And step 2 will be, if the sentence is positive or affirmative, then convert it into negative, and if it is negative, then convert it into positive form. Also remember, interrogative sentences will have a question mark at the end of the sentence, and assertive sentence will have a period or full stop. Let me give you an example to understand it. Isn't this the place I love the most? Here, it is an interrogative sentence. Converting it into assertive sentence, we need to follow 2 steps. Step number 1 is to move the helping verb to the second position in the sentence, which is isn't here. So the sentence will be, this isn't the place I love the most. Now, applying step 2, as here the sentence is negative, we will convert it into a positive sentence. And the sentence will be, this is the place I love the most.
Understood?
After applying both the steps, we got the answer. Let's look into one more example to make it clear. Is smoking a good habit?
Understood?
After applying step
Yes,
1,
sir,
the
understood.
sentence will be, smoking is a good habit. And after applying step 2, the sentence will be, smoking is not a good habit. Now, you got an idea how to convert an interrogative sentence to assertive sentence with a 2-step formula. Let's look into different cases. Case number 1, sentences where ever is used, it will be converted to never, and where any is used, it will be converted to no. Let me give you an example of it. Can anything outshine the brilliance of the sun? Now, moving the helping verb and changing the word anything to nothing, the sentence will be, nothing can outshine the brilliance of the sun. Let's look into one more example. Will you ever forgive her? Now, moving the helping verb and changing the word ever to never, the sentence will be, you will never forgive her. Now let's look into case number 2. Sentences where the structure is who plus don't, doesn't, didn't. It gets converted to everybody, everyone, all. Let's look into an example of it. Who doesn't want to be rich? After converting, the sentence will be everybody wants to be rich. Let's look into case 3. Sentences where the structure is who plus positive sentence. It gets converted to no one or nobody. Let's look into an example of it. Who was playing the match? No one was playing the match. Now, let's look into case 4. Sentences where the structure is y plus verb. It gets converted to it is foolish to plus verb. Let's look into an example of it. Why waste time in useless work? After converting it, the sentence will be, it is foolish to waste the time in useless work. Let's look into one more case. Case number 5. Sentences where the sentences start with what if. Here, what will be replaced by it doesn't matter. For example, what if you do not help me? After converting, the sentence will be, it doesn't matter if you do not help me. Now you are clear about the cases. Based on the 2 steps rule and different cases, I am giving you an exercise. You need to convert below interrogative sentences to assertive sentences.
Chalo, try. Were we sent into the world to make money?
We were sent into the world to make money.
Okay, then step 2.
We were not sent into the world to make money.
Okay, full stop, the period at
Yes.
the end. So that is, what did you do? Which transformation?
Interrogative to assertive.
Okay. Others are also present, Saqib, Moinuddin, and who else is present? Those who are answering regularly. Are you all understanding or
Yes,
just
sir.
watching it blankly?
Understanding.
Yes, sir, I took
Easiest
screenshot
topics.
and writing main point.
But that is okay. That is good. But are you understanding?
Yes, sir, understanding.
Okay. What if we happen to be late? What if DI? What? So what will
It doesn't
you will
matter if we happen to be late.
It doesn't matter.
Good.
We happen.
Yes. Why waste time in reading trash? Means not useful things.
It is foolish to waste time in reading trash.
Very good. So इस type के sentence है क्या? Means you know the structure now.
Yes,
So you can
sir.
change. For example, if I say, why waste time in copying the notes?
It is foolish to waste time in copying the notes.
So just copying the notes is not our education. That is necessary. I understand. I am not against it, but understanding is the primary need.
Yes, sir.
So now you will take screenshot. At the end, I will stop. You will take the screenshot. You will take it yourself. Now we will see what we did in this video.
Okay, sir.
I'll just say take it.
Okay.
The sentences are, were we sent into the world to make money? What if we happen to be late? Why waste time in reading trash? Please message me the answers in the comment section. I am eagerly waiting for your reply. That's all in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this
Now
video.
take screenshot.
Firstly, we understood the 2-step formula to convert an interrogative sentence to assertive sentence. The steps are, step number 1, move the helping verb to the second position in the sentence. And step number 2, if the sentence is affirmative or positive, then convert it into negative.
All the
And if
cases
it is
also.
negative, then
Take screenshot.
convert it into positive. Then we looked into different
Take
cases. Case 1, sentences where ever is used, the ever will be converted to never and any will be converted to no. Case 2, sentences where the structure is who plus don't, doesn't, didn't, it get converted to everybody, everyone, all.
Done?
Case 3, sentences where the structure is who plus positive
Yes, sir. That
sentence,
is case
it
3.
get converted no one or nobody. Case 4, sentences where the structure is y plus verb, it get converted to it is foolish to plus verb. Case 5, sentences where the sentence start with what if. Here, what get converted to it doesn't matter. Finally, I give
If
you an
this also-
exercise. Please message me the answers in the comment. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.
Done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
So I'm giving you questions. I want you to tell me the answers. Right? Will you all be able to give me the answers?
Sir, interrogative to assertive or assertive to interrogative?
Yes, that you will know. I'll write it.
Oh.
In bracket it will be given. 10th board exam also they do like this. Instructions are given in the bracket.
Change into interrogative.
Yes. If you know the question tag, then also आएगा. पहले
Is
इसका
he
question tag
better
करना है.
than her?
Yes.
Isn't he
Is that
better
fine?
than her?
Correct. And which punctuation?
Yes, sir.
Which punctuation mark?
Question mark.
Okay. So that is the answer, correct.
We can ever forget her kindness.
Can we ever forget her
We
kindness?
can ever forget her kindness.
Okay.
We ever forgot her kindness.
Can we
Ever forgot her
Have you
kindness.
forgot
Question mark.
forget or forgot? What are you saying?
Forget.
Okay.
forgot?
Can we ever forget
Her
her
kindness.
kindness?
Question
Good.
mark.
Very good. So you got the answer for the second one.
Sir, answer મેં દિયો હતો.
Yes, I know. Then we were not born simply to die. Okay, sorry, not this one. I'm giving you something else. Who would not cry when stuck? Assertive. Make this assertive.
Who would cry when stuck? It is foolish to it is foolish to would cry when stuck.
No, it is just given who. So who would not cry when stuck? So
Who
the meaning
would
of the
cry when
sentence,
stuck?
see, means when you are stuck, means when you are in problem, means you will cry. So
Yes,
everyone will
understood.
cry. So we will write everyone.
Everyone. Okay.
Everyone would cry when stuck, means when in some
Sir,
problem.
sir, who plus didn't doesn't और डोंट था तो भी एवरीवन कर सकते हैं ना सर?
Yes, but the sentence should, the meaning of the sentence should not change.
ओके.
Now tell me the last one for today. What though you have failed? This we have done. Assertive. What though you have failed? Sorry, assertive का spelling. Okay. What though you have failed? Change it to assertive.
What though you not have
Remember
failed?
this. Remember this case. What though? How to start the answer?
सर what though क्या था? ये नहीं था सर. What
Yes.
if और who वाला था.
So what you have
Yes.
failed?
What if and what though are same. You can consider.
Okay sir. It is foolish to.
No, no.
It is
ऐसा
foolish.
नहीं था.
You have failed.
It doesn't
What?
matter if you have failed.
Yes. It doesn't or it does not. You can write. It does not matter. Though. उसमें if था. So it does not matter if you have failed or it does not matter though.
सर
You
मैटर
have-
कहाँ से आया?
What? मीन्स फर्क नहीं पड़ता. What though you have failed मतलब you तो
बराबर.
फेल हो गया तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, right? That is a question.
Understood. Understood.
So it does not matter though you have failed. Means failure is the first chapter, right? And success is the
Yes,
second.
sir.
The dialogue is there. What is success? The second chapter after the failure. The next chapter after the failure. It is there in that one of the series.
Yes sir.
Take screenshot. This you have to write along with that examples.
At last ना sir.
Sorry, one second. Yes. At the end, you will write this. Done?
Yes sir.
So this topic is clear. Assertive to interrogative and vice versa.
Okay.
So we shall continue the next lecture. Bye.
Bye sir.
Bye, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Okay, you too.
Bye.